Have you been looking out for Irish potato recipe? Come closer. You see this one, you will never regret making it. In fact, your family will thank you so much. Today I will be sharing with you what we had for breakfast and for lunch. For breakfast, we had this toasted bread. This is a special toasted bread that my family loves so much, especially my house. So here I made a square shape. I will be taking it out. Don't worry, sit back. You will see what I'm going to make with this square shape you are seeing. In a pan, I will add in my oil, go in with the bread square that I just shaped previously. Add in banana. What you saw me adding is banana. Add in banana, and then I'm going to pour in an egg. In the egg, I have some green and red bell peppers and onion, and then I'll whisk them together. I'm going to pour it on the egg. Make sure it is well distributed. Then go in with the square cutout that we cut out earlier. Place it on, pour in a little more egg and lift. I will be repeating the same process for the other bread. Go in with your banana, go in with the egg mixture, cover it up with the square shape, then allow to cook. Here you would want to be very careful when you are flipping it, because the banana is a kind of soggy, so you have to be very careful when you are flipping it. Make sure you are adding in oil in between so that it will not stick to the pan. Here the bread banana toast is ready and it's looking so yum. It's very tasty and good for breakfast. We had it with pap. Everyone enjoyed it except my toddler, who is a very picky eater. He did not eat at all. So here I served their pap. My husband had his with tea, but my kids had it with pap. So here I'm dishing the pap for my kids and they loved it. After breakfast was served, I proceeded to make lunch. So here I'll be making potatoes. I've added my oil, added my onion, went in with minced meat. So this is minced meat. I'll have to break it so that it will not be in lumps. Add in my rosemary, my salt, seasoning cubes, little ginger powder. I also added the fresh one, but yeah, I did not film it. Here I added curry and dried red pepper. So I'm going to mix them together, and then I will go in with my vegetables. My vegetables are green and red bell peppers and my carrots. Here we introduce our potatoes, and then we are going to go in with water and then cover to cook. Here my kids are in the kitchen waiting for lunch to be served. Like they couldn't wait. Oh my goodness. So yeah, thank God the food is ready, and here we have it. Our potato is ready, guys. You see these potatoes, it tasted so nice. This is my first time of trying this potato recipe. Sorry, I skipped the time I added sweet corn. I later added sweet corn, and it took this potato to the next level, guys. My family loved it, my kids loved it, and even requested for the same recipe the next day, but I told them maybe next time. But guys, try this recipe for your family. I bet you they will love. This recipe is very easy to put together. It's so very easy, like in minutes you are done already. Easy and delicious. Tell me if you will be trying out this recipe in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.